YouTube, Andrew's stupid self just up. I may be blacker, but and we got football practice, so we only make like 2 videos. Stop it, Jaden, butthole. Yeah, but we're both cornerbacks and wide receiver. Football is fun. Football is life. What the heck? This stuff is all kind of messed up. At least they got me time to change my adjustments.
I'm the girl again.
We're not doing transit.
Yes, we are. We are doing transit.
No, we're not. We're on dark regular green runs. Do you see the bus? No.
Yeah, dude, it's crashed. You
Oh my gosh. You stink.
You retarded.
But you smell like hot button cheese.
You smell like those.
You smell like Joseph.
Dude, you smell like
You
Joseph.
said hamburger muffins. You mean hot dog and sausage
Hot
butter
dog
muffins.
Shut up.
Hey, baby girl's coming out the windows.
Where?
I already killed her. I got that pill early. Dude, I'm beating you guys. You guys are slow.
Your fat self eating on the zombies. Acting like
We
Joseph.
can't stay in here for long.
I know.
We can't eat booty the whole time. 2 perfect bank shots.
My boy back up. These are my kills.
These are my
Keep
abilities.
that.
Fat biatch. Still got the kill.
Get on my face. That's why he
Yeah, you thought I was down. Got him. The big explosion. I just killed those with all grenades. No, I don't got enough money, you fat.
Did you just open it?
Yeah. And then I had to buy this the stupid M14. Haha. Free! I was hoping you was gonna get a white gun. Dang.
Why you being so negative?
You know we don't got no perks.
Why you being so negative?
Why you being so negative?
You being negative.
You're being negative. You're being more negative.
Ooh.
Oh snap, they're running from my butts.
They're gonna rape you.
Yep, they gonna rape me.
They rape you zombie style. The dude's gonna fall off in his head.
You suck. Why you taking my cues?
Cause you did it to me.
No, I didn't. Like it. Oh, whoop your booty left or right.
You're right, boy.
Yeah.
For some, I keep thinking
right,
I keep thinking we're gonna slide, cause I think this Call of Duty.
Dose. Get away, this is my sniper. YouTube, why do I always get a sniper? Cause they know I love snipers.
Scary.
Where's this dumb freaking zombie at?
When it gets to higher levels, I'm gonna go back here.
Get your booty down.
See? Right
Get
here.
your booty down. Headshot. Max
Wait. Oh, I didn't get to reload.
Get your booty down. Got the ray gun? Okay. I see you.
Boy, he sucks.
He got the ray gun and he down.
He
Bruh.
trash.
Hot buns.
I'm not even gonna revive him.
Right, because he should know better.
I know. How you have the ray gun and get down?
Because he booty. Hot booty. Somebody picked him up.
It was his other person he was playing with. He must be playing with like a 3-year-old or something.
Dude, I almost ran into a zombie.
See, a zombie just blew up right next to him. Boy, now his friend needs to be revived. They're
These dudes
both
are trash. I'll get him though. Because he might be over 3.
I think a 3-year-old would be too scared to play with.
We're way too good.
We don't need to be playing with these amateurs.
Right, these amateurs.
You people
They don't even got chores.
They ain't even know it.
RPD.
My turn.
In the sniper. Put this video on 4 minutes and 47 seconds.
Let's go.
Get down. Headshot.
Let's
Get
go,
down.
baby.
Headshot.
Let's go, baby.
What'd you get? What'd you get that wacko gun, boy?
This is it.
That stuff go run out of ammo too fast.
No wonder he's getting down. He's AFK. This Negro sitting there.
Wow. Booty. Headshot. Hot butt. Hot butt. Headshot. Hot butt. Headshot.
Execute. I'll get him up for stats. Stay down.
Gun.
Okay, his friend got him. But this Negro's still sitting there. Oh, I didn't know it's still Insecure. Before Insecure went down. Okay, he's back. Bro, they are butt. Dude, they've gotten down. Okay, hold on. I was about to run into a whole bunch of zombies.
4 or 5 times already.
Let me look.
These are hot butts.
Boy, what is he doing over
They're
there?
in the lava?
He's retarded.
What are they doing? If you don't know how to get in there, dude,
Okay.
why are you in here?
The other dude, got down 3 times, and the other guy got down 2 times. And it's just now getting to be round 6. They're trash. They're booty butthole. They're the definition. I said definition.
Definition? Dude.
I can't talk right now.
That pool got your mouth sore?
I know.
Dude, what the
It's a
heck?
definition. They're the definition of butt.
I just got 2 headshots in a row.
Kaboom.
Kaboom, shakalaka. You would get it if y'all watched the NBA Jam videos.
NBA
Why am I
Jam.
hitting the box and I got good weapons? Alright, if I get to up at that gun, y'all gonna have to wait. I don't like the Type 25.
I like it on multiplayer.
Yeah, me too, but runs out of ammo and zombies too much. Cause the zombies get tougher and crap.
And the recoil's terrible. Oh my gosh, baby girl, back up.
I am eating these zombies up with a sniper.
Oh my gosh, dude, help me. Actually, no, never mind, I got it.
Dude, I was right behind you though. Please that be a max ammo. Where that thing?
We both just jumped at the same time.
Headshot.
Come out, little monkey, I wanna shoot you.
Come out, you little chimpanzee.
Where'd he go? Where is he? Oh, crap.
Got it in the arm.
He scared me.
I shot it in the arm and it died.
Damn. I'm running away.
That's how you know this thing is powerful. I got
Wait,
6
where isn't these monkeys are coming out?
Huh?
Can you run away?
No.
This is retarded. I wanna run.
No, you can't. You can run back here.
That's lame. I wanna run like far to the other maps like Chase. Man, it's still cool though. I just saved that dude from getting down.
I've never played this map until.
Oh my gosh.
How wide?
Panda. I said Panda. Panda.
You mean
Panda.
panda?
Yes.
That fool got your mouth so as heck.
Panda.
Well,
Panda.
it was 8 minutes and 46 seconds.
That was still a quality video.
Yeah, but this game freezes too much.
It's the disc.
Yeah, I know.
The disc is butt, but nigga. Ha!